Hello students, welcome to CBSE Science Series. In this series, I am going to upload a complete explanation of Class 7 Science. Let's start first chapter Nutrition in Plants. Before going to discuss this chapter, we remember what we studied in Class 6 first chapter. In Class 6 first chapter is food, where does it come from? What we studied in that chapter, food, ingredients, nutrients, balanced diet and sources of the food. Okay, this is what we studied in that chapter. Food means what we eat or drink to get energy to do all the works is known as the food. It is the source of energy. Ingredients or the substance what we use to prepare the food, to cook the food is known as the ingredients. Okay, nutrients or the chemical substance which is present in the food, means components of the food are known as the nutrients. Okay, these are the important nutrients, that is carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. These are the important nutrients, and importance of the nutrients we studied: to grow, to develop our body, to repair the damaged cells. These are the important functions of the nutrients. And balanced diet we studied, and sources of food we studied in that chapter. Sources of food means where we get food from. We get food from the plants and the animals. So that these two are the sources of food for humans, that is plants and the animals. We get ingredients from the plants to cook the food and from the animals. So plants and animals are the sources of food for humans. Okay, how animals are preparing their food? Animals are preparing the food from the plants. So humans and animals indirectly depend on plants for their food. Okay, how we get food from the plants, how plants are getting their food. Okay, that's what we are going to learn in this chapter, Nutrition in Plants. Okay, humans and animals are getting their food from the plants. Plants are the ultimate source of food for humans and the animals. How plants are getting their food? Who is giving food to the plants? What is the source of food for plants? Okay, that's what we are going to learn in this chapter, Nutrition in Plants. Nutrition means way of taking food by the organism. It is nothing but it's a way of taking food by the organism. Okay, remember the difference between nutrients. Nutrients are the chemical substance which is present in the food, or the components of the food are known as the nutrients. Okay, nutrition is the way of taking food by the organism. It is a way of taking food, mode of taking food by the organism, and its utilization is known as the nutrition. How organism is preparing its food, how it is making its food is known as the nutrition. Okay, whether organism is preparing its own food by itself or depending on any other organism, that is what nutrition. How it is making its food is known as the nutrition. Okay, in nutrition in plants means how plants are preparing their food, how plants are getting their food. Are they using any different method to prepare their food? What are the different methods they use to get the food? That is what nutrition in plants, how plants are getting their food. Okay, that's what we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, plants are the only organisms which prepare their food by themselves. Okay, they prepare food by themselves. Okay, they are called autotrophs. Okay, they are called autotrophs. Why they are called autotrophs? Because plants prepare their food by themselves, so they are called autotrophs. Auto means self, trophs means preparation, synthesize, preparing. Okay, so self preparation. Plants prepare their food by themselves, so plants are called autotrophs. Plants are the only organism which prepare their food by themselves. Humans and animals cannot prepare their own food by themselves. They get food from plants and the animals. Okay, but plants are preparing their food by themselves by using the simple substances like carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, which are existing in our surrounding, and with the help of the chlorophyll. Okay, so this is called autotrophic nutrition. Okay, this mode of nutrition, this way of getting food is known as the autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means self-preparation. Organism which is preparing their food by themselves are known as the autotrophs, and this mode of nutrition, this way of getting food is known as the autotrophic nutrition. Okay, so plants are following the autotrophic nutrition. Okay, but humans and animals are not preparing their own food. They depend on plants for their food. Means they depend on another organism, that is plants. This mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means other. Okay, other organism means depend on another organism for their food is known as the heterotrophic nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition means organism depend on another organism for their food. Okay, organisms depend on another organism for their food is known as the heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, these are the two different types of nutrition. One is the autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic means self-preparation. Heterotrophic means depending on another organism for food is known as the heterotrophic nutrition. And these two are the different types of nutrition. Nutrition is the way of getting food by the organism. Okay. Plants are getting their food by doing the photosynthesis process. Okay, plants are called autotrophs and they are preparing their food by themselves by doing the photosynthesis process. What is photosynthesis process? Photosynthesis process means a process by which plants prepare their food by using the carbon dioxide, water, sunlight with the help of the chlorophyll. Means plants prepare their food by using the simple substances which are existing in our surrounding, that is carbon dioxide, water, sunlight with the help of the chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis process. Okay. Okay, what are the topics we are going to learn in this chapter? That is nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, photosynthesis process, saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, symbiotic relationship, insectivorous plants. These are the topics we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, first chapter is nutrition in plants. Nutrition means it's a way of taking food by the organism and its utilization is known as the nutrition. Nutrients are the chemical substance which are present in the food or the components of the food are known as the nutrients, and important nutrients are carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, this is what the difference between nutrients and the nutrition. And nutrition, there are two types. One is the autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means a self-preparation. Organism which is preparing their own food by themselves is known as the autotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means organisms depending on another organism for their food is known as the heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, plants are following autotrophic nutrition means plants preparing their food by themselves by doing the photosynthesis process. Means by using the simple substances like carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, they prepare their food by themselves. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis process, and this way of preparing food is known as the autotrophic nutrition. Okay, so plants are called autotrophs, but animals and humans are cannot prepare their own food. They depend on plants for their food. Means organism depend on another organism for food is known as the heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, these are the topics we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, let's revise what we discussed so far. Nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are components of food. These components of food are called nutrients. Okay, what are the importance of nutrients? Nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies and provide the energy to carry out life process. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism. Its utilization by the body is known as the nutrition. What are the two different modes of nutrition? One is the autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, what is autotrophic nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances called autotrophic nutrition. Example, plants. Plants are called autotrophs because they prepare their own food by doing the photosynthesis process. That is from simple substances like carbon dioxide, water and sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. Okay, heterotrophic nutrition means animals and most other organisms depend on plants for their food are called heterotrophs. This mode of nutrition is known as the heterotrophic nutrition. means organism depend on other organism for food is known as the heterotrophic nutrition. Example, plants and the animals and humans. Animals and humans cannot prepare their own food, they get food from the plants, so they are following heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Next topic is photosynthesis process. We continue this topic in next video. Thank you, children.